What's good, guys? It's Gab. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another Xmondo review. If you want to see my first one where I tried Wave Tech, then it will be linked up here somewhere. But today I've got another order from Xmondo because I just can't stay away. His products are that good. Today I think I'm gonna use Electric Rain by Xmondo. This is the moisture cream. And then I also picked up Glitterati, the styling serum. So I'm very excited. I think I'm going to be using Electric Rain in today's video. So I can't wait. I got great results with using Wave Tech. So hopefully Electric Rain will do me some justice. So yeah, today's wash day. So I'm just going to wash my hair, condition it, all that good stuff. And I'll come back on screen when it is time to twist. So if you like to see the styling process or my final results, and just okay guys, so I am back. Hair's been freshly washed and it has been separated into 5 very uneven sections, but who cares. For styling, we are going to be using my all-time favorite leave-in conditioner, Kinky Curly Knot Today. I have been using this since I went natural like 7 years ago, and this is like the only leave-in conditioner I will repurchase. This is bae. And then, like I said, we are using Xmondo's Electric Rain Moisture Cream. Super excited to try this. But yeah, it says, I'm gonna read what it says on the back for the description. It says, today's forecast calls for electric rain. This formula includes argan oil and rice proteins to hydrate and rebuild your hair. Electric Rain will leave you with a smooth, amplified look with high voltage shine. Distribute a generous amount of product starting at the ends of your hair and working your way up. Finish style and strike a pose. Let's see, for ingredients, it says it claims to be cruelty-free, vegan, paraben, and sulfate-free, and gluten-free. I'm just trying to see, there is silicone, or there are silicones in this, so if you are silicone free, keep that in mind. I personally don't care about silicones in my hair product. I don't have a real opinion on them. I just use whatever works. But yeah, let's just rip this thingy off and get started. Oh man, this smells just like Wave Tech. This smells just like Wave Tech, and it's like, to me, the predominant smell is Japanese cherry blossom. So yeah, I'm doing a twist out again because that is how I style my hair on a weekly basis. If I can just get the scrunchie out of my hair. Okay. So I'm just gonna take, and I've got another in case I run out of this. I always think I'm gonna run out of Kinky Curly when I'm styling my hair, but I don't. I don't use much of this. Maybe like that much or less depending on the section. I'm gonna use this as my leave-in conditioner, and we're just going to distribute that throughout the section. And then we are going to take a comb and a tangle. All right, I'm just gonna section that much and take a clip, put the rest of this away. So about that much hair, we're gonna take the Electric Rain Moisture Cream, take about that much. It's not super thick, but it's not super thin either. So let's see how my hair responds. My hair likes thicker products. I feel like this isn't going to come out as, actually let's get closer. It's defining my curls a lot. A lot. Okay. And since this is only like 5 ounces of product, I'm trying not to use too much because I don't want to use it all up in one sitting. So since I'm working with cream, I'm going to be going in with some olive oil just to add a little extra to seal in my hair and to oil my scalp. Okay. And throughout all of that, I still smell electric rain. I'm gonna go in with my Denman. It's not super defined like how it was with, and we're just gonna proceed to two-strand twist. My hair's not super defined like how it was with Wave Tech, but I've got a feeling that this product will shock me. Okay, I'm at the ends. I'm gonna take my rat tail, comb through the ends. If you hear my neighbors in the background, I'm so sorry. They are so obnoxiously loud for no reason. So, I apologize. I'm just gonna finish this off, twirling the ends, wrapping it around my finger. Boom. One twist down. Do the same on the other side. Electric rain. Ooh. If I was wearing a lighter colored shirt, you might be able to see my result a bit better because it doesn't help that my tapestry is dark blue and gold and my shirt is black, but I don't know. Okay, take my, oh wait, a little bit of oil. I feel like since I didn't work with any type of oil last few times I've twisted my hair, because I used Wave Tech, I don't know, like I just didn't feel like it needed it when I was using Wave Tech. And I brushed through this. And then my comb. Okay, so the back is pretty much done. I've got 2 more twists that I need to do. I'm not gonna do those on camera because I'm gonna be like this the entire time trying to get those twisted. So I'll come back and do some of my hair with you. I'll show you guys a little bit of the front, and I'll do like I'll do some in the middle as well. I'm gonna speed it up and add some music because once again this is going to take me forever and a day to get this done, and So yeah, enjoy the next few clips. I'm sorry.
I know.
Okay, so my hair is finished. Sorry I didn't come back and do the front on camera. My arms were killing me. I took about an hour off. I was watching Criminal Minds and then doing my hair at the same time, so got a little distracted. I started twisting my hair at like 9:30 and it's now like 1:30, so yeah. But like last time, and like I always do with my twist outs, I'm going to keep these in for about a full day so that they can dry properly and I make sure I get the best results. So this is what my twists look like. They're soft, super moisturized. My hair feels really good. I think adding the olive oil really helped to keep my hair moisturized, which it always does whenever I use it for twist outs. Yeah, today it's currently like Sunday, like 1:30. I'm gonna keep these in, so next time you see me is gonna be Monday morning when I'm getting ready to go to work, and I will show you my finished results. So yeah, stay tuned. And these are the final results. My hair is pretty curly, not as curly as when I use Wave Tech, but still looks good. It's got a lot of moisture to it, which I do appreciate. Like I said, it's not as curly, so I would have to like pair it with something like Wetline Extreme Gel just so it has a bit more hold and it doesn't get like super frizzy throughout the day, but it looks cute. I'm in a different setting. I'm in my car. It's Monday morning. I'm at work. I kind of need to go because I'm running late, but whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.